I grew up in the Netherlands, in quite a rural place. 2 brothers, one older, one younger, father and mother, grandma and grandpa, walking distance that we visited very often. I think I've always followed the energy. By the way my father taught me, often people say like, you're so thinking outside the box. And I'm thinking like, what box? Because the questions that my father asked me and the stories that he told me and the things that my grandma told me, I think have created a very open space in myself. I think I'm innately curious, and that just takes me everywhere. When I'm free in my body, I can move, I can do things, I can play, I can dance, I can sing, I can dream, I can imagine, and I'm constantly moving, I'm constantly in other realms, in this realm, like I'm playing. I'm very playful in myself. There is a purpose for me to be in this body, in this moment, in this time. What is my purpose of being here, and how can I be in service of us, to a healthier us, instead of being stuck in systems that kill us? To be in service and to be in my purpose of why I am here in this time, in this body, on this planet right now. And that is my life, that is the Alinker. Everything that I do is constantly asking that question, like, who do I need to be? Who, not what. Who do I need to be in this time? And that's not a question that you answer once. That's a question that you continue to answer. It becomes a practice, a daily practice, nearly a sort of mantra. Like, who do I need to be? What do I need to feel? What do I need to be connected to? What do I need to pick up, to acknowledge, to connect with each other? That is my role as the founder of the Alinker. That is the future of the Alinker. To be that place where people can find themselves again.